This is the TECNO POVA 4 Pro, a phone that is packed with a lot of power, which is best experienced while playing the latest 3D games. The MediaTek Helio G99 is running the show, and when you couple it with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, graphite cooling tube, and software enhancements like Panther Engine 2.0, you're looking at a very powerful device that can handle even the most demanding tasks like 3D gaming. All of the games I played on this device run great. The Z-axis linear motor enhances the gaming experience, and the hard gyroscope sensor is useful in controlling direction and assisting in aiming. Besides, the 6.66-inch 90Hz AMOLED display is very nice and sharp and beautiful to look at, and the gaming visuals look nice on it. I think it's a perfect size screen for mobile gaming. To be able to enjoy gaming for a long time, the POVA 4 Pro sports a massive 6000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging out of the box. If you are a hardcore gamer, you can play for at least 10 hours on a single charge, which is pretty incredible. After a long gaming session, you can enjoy the benefits of 45 watts fast charging. Charge the phone for just 24 minutes and you will get 50% of the battery refill. The full charge takes just 1 hour and 28 minutes, which is really fast considering the huge battery capacity. Under moderate usage, like browsing the web or social media, the phone usually lasts me 2 or even 3 days. The gaming performance, great specs, long-lasting battery, and 45 watts fast charging are the key highlights to me, but TECNO made sure to match the power of the phone with quite a unique design. We have a lot of phones that look pretty much the same these days. That's why I love companies that are creative in designing their phones, and the POVA 4 Pro is a great example. The unique Widmanstaten Prism ID design gives you space warship vibes, and colors are inspired by the materials found in meteorites. I really love this rutile orange color, but Uranolith also looks great. The build quality of the phone is great, and it feels nice in the hand, and the buttons are easy to reach. The iOS 12, which is based on Android 12, feels fast and smooth all the time, and it has quite a few features, settings, and customization options to play with. For instance, TECNO's Game Space provides quite a few gaming enhancements and tweaks. If you feel that you need even better performance, you can virtually extend RAM by 5GB. In my case, the phone has always felt snappy and fast, so I didn't need to use virtual RAM. Other key features of the phone include NFC, a pretty good sounding dual speaker system. TECNO still gives you the headphone jack, and the fingerprint scanner that is embedded into the side-mounted power key is pretty fast and accurate. The main camera produces pretty good quality images which will look nice on social media. All things considered, the TECNO POVA 4 Pro is a mobile gaming powerhouse thanks to a lot of processing power and other enhancements. Also, its massive battery ensures that you can enjoy gaming for a long time, and 45 watts charging refills the battery really fast. I also like the phone's unique design, near excellent day-to-day performance, very nice display, feature-packed user interface, and overall, the TECNO POVA 4 Pro is a great phone that you should definitely check out if you want a lot of power and massive battery with fast charging that are packed into the unique-looking device. What do you think about the TECNO POVA 4 Pro? Would you buy this device or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.